guess what? It's gear review time. We're going to be testing out a mini chainsaw made by Saker. They sent it out to me. They said, beat the hell out of it. Do what you want. Tell us the truth. I was like, okay, whatever, dude. We're on our way over to the test site right now. Before we do that, do me a favor. Hit the like and subscribe button. That way you know when I drop a video. If YouTube decides to let you know the deal. Okay, so we're going to go and we're going to check this out. We're going to do a very, very quick unboxing, and then we're going to move out to the fire pit area where I have a whole buttload of wood that I have to process and really torture this thing. All right, let's go. So this is what they sent me right here. Hopefully this isn't backwards in the video. I'm not exactly sure. But I've kind of figured out after checking them out on Amazon that this is like the test box they send out to people. You can buy them in different configurations and different sizes. But we're going to go with this one for right now. I'm not a real fan of unboxing, so I'm just going to show you what's inside of it. Let's see. We got a battery. We got a battery, standard 20-volt battery. Looks like it's 1.5 milliamp hours. Let's see here. We've got the saw itself in plastic. Okay. All right. That's pretty nifty. A little safety thinger there. Got a trigger. I got a hand guard. I got a little thummy thing so it doesn't like... let's see. Okay, we got that. We've got, what is this? What is this? Oh, it's the charger. Okay, cool. So it's got a light on it. I'm going to guess it's red for not charged, and blinky blinky for I'm charging, and green for it's charged. And it's actually pretty simplistic. You just kind of like plug it right into there like that and then plug it in. Yeah, we'll make sure this charged up before we do anything. Let's see, we got a little, well, there's a little tool here for moving that chain around like any other chainsaw. Let's see what we got. Well, we got a screwdriver. There's got to be an adjustment. Yep, right there. Look at that. Can you guys see that? Right there. See that little screw right there? That's for tensioning on your chainsaw. And it should probably only be about, I think it's like 2 centimeters of play on these size chainsaws. See, what else did they give us? There we go. Got a little bit of that oil. Giving us a little bit of oil. A little trick that you guys need to know about. If you're going to use this on a fruit tree, use vegetable oil. Otherwise, it messes with the tree. Let's see. What else we got? We got some kind of piece of paper that says it's a saw. And, instructions and, yeah, instructions. But who needs that? Okay, so let's go and, let's see. Woohoo! Okay. But all seriousness, guys, we'll put some eye protection on. We're going to go process a whole buttload of wood out by the fire pit, and we're going to see how long this puppy actually lasts. I'm probably going to take some oil and put it right on the chain because there's no actual oil thing here. I'm probably going to just make sure that's on tight enough to be tight. Is it still good? Yeah, we're good. We're going to prop a little bit of oil on this blade, and we're going to go cut some stuff up and see if we can break it. All right, let's go. All right, so we're going to process all of this that we've picked up around the yard, and then we're also going to process these bigger pieces that are actually over here. These are the ones that are actually going to be the real test. It's a little windy out here today, so this is probably going to end up on high speed with a review of some sorts. And yeah, we're going to be getting ready to do something with that at some point. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, let's see what this thing's got. Interesting. right. Let's take a look at this. And what is that stuck to me? And that's what we just chopped up right there. Like hot knife through butter. Oh yeah, I'm not going to worry about this. It's all breaking up with hand stuff. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next pile that's over there. Wind's starting to kick up, might start raining, so might have to cut this video short. But what I'm noticing so far is this thing goes right through it. The book says not to do anything more than 4 inches thick, but what I'm seeing right now is as long as this thing keeps spinning, it's gonna do some good stuff. So let's go ahead and pull some of the larger stuff out real quick and start chopping up into little pieces. Look at that. No problem. I probably should have this braced up against something, but this is an excellent test for not. There you go. All right. Get another one. Nice big old thick piece, huh? Yeah. Zero complaints on that one. Okay, so I think I figured out some really neat stuff about this bugger. I also think I figured out some stuff that you probably need to know about it. This is an awesome little tool. I'm not joking. You just watched me beat the crap out of this thing. I could literally do a 4-inch limb in seconds, no problem. From beginning to end, no problem whatsoever. And so right now I'm going to have to go ahead and give this thing an A+. You know, I have zero problems with it whatsoever. So let's take it back and let's have a conversation about it. The goods, the bads, the uglies, and some of the stuff that I noticed. So, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Let's start with the bad, because there wasn't any. You basically just watched the most unsafe hand chainsaw video ever made. I can't find anything wrong with this damn thing. The blade never moved very much from its original tightening configuration, which is awesome. It was tighter than this, but I mean, come on, that's nothing. That's nothing, guys. The oil worked like a charm. The tools used to make the adjustments, they all fit. They're not generic in any way, shape, or form. I'll let the cat out of the bag. I actually charged the battery. It took, out of the box, it probably took about 35 minutes for the battery to come to complete charge. And it never once died on me the entire time I was using it. I got no complaints. I got no complaints at all, guys. Everything fits. Now, This thing went through some hard wood. There's oak out here. There's walnut out here. There is what are those damn cherry trees? I was chopping up a lot of different types of wood. Some pine. This thing went through it like a hot knife through butter. Very surprised. Very easy to handle. Very light, very controllable. The jump on it was minimum. You saw me cutting those branches, and it just barely even jumped, and I had no stability whatsoever. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave a link below. You can decide what you want to do with your adult money. I hope that you would be smart. If you want something like this, definitely worth it. They do make longer ones that have a longer bar on them, but I mean, that's on you. That's on you. The only thing that no one has talked about, and I watched several videos about this, the only thing that nobody has talked about is it has a automatic overheat shutdown on it. And if you were watching me chew that, if you were watching me cut those pieces of wood up, you know damn well I pushed this thing to its very limits to the point where it would actually overheat and shut down. I did it twice. You didn't really get to see it on the video. You might have saw like a cut, but that was about it. It took about a minute to cool down. And then, boom, it was back into business. And I immediately started cutting again. It went another few minutes before it cooled down again. And then since then, it's been about 20 minutes. The motor itself has almost completely cooled down and no problem. So, I mean, if you're just using it like a normal person instead of like a crazy person trying to, make a YouTube video, then you're going to have no problems whatsoever. Okay, I think that's going to be about it. Make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button. That way you'll get the notifications when YouTube decides to let you be notified. Yeah, that's going to be about it. Until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see ya. That's right, I like making stupid videos. Love you guys. Bye.